GA4 hasn't lived up to the hype since it was rolled out. But for all its flaws, it's a powerful free tool that you can use as the foundation for your data collection. Hi, I'm Greg Albright, and I lead the Analytics and Insights team here at 3 Ventures. We've worked with hundreds of clients, and all of them have told us the same thing. I thought GA4 would be better than Universal Analytics, and we did too. The promise of an event-based data model coupled with better reporting and insights was very exciting, and part of that came true. The data model and the data collection embedded in Google Analytics is a powerful free tool that you can use when coupled with Google Tag Manager serve as the foundation for your data collection. But another part of that wasn't true. The reporting and user interface has fallen flatter than a bubble chart at a thumbtack factory. There's 4 main reasons why the reporting and user interface is hard to use with Google Analytics 4. And number 1 is scope levels. This was the first gremlin that they introduced into the system because at first everything was event-based in scope. But then they added users and sessions and then later on items. That complicated our ability to add metrics and segments, which were scoped at different levels, into the same charts, dashboards, or groups. Next up is landing page reports. In Universal Analytics, landing page reports is one of my favorite parts of the platform because it delivered some powerful features like page value, what conversions occurred as a result of that landing page, and several other things. Now in GA4, those aren't available or they're much harder to get at. The landing page reports are very valuable for people to understand which of their entrance pages are driving results. Real-time reporting in GA4 is not usable. For those of you in e-commerce or anyone making intraday budget decisions, the GA4 interface is not for you. We're seeing 24 to 48 hour data lags, and that's not helpful for people who are trying to make budgets within the day to meet the demands of their website users. And finally, there's cardinality and thresholding. Those are 2 fancy terms that mean different things, but they both apply to your data in that it is truncating, Google is truncating the data that's available for you to see in the user interface for different reasons. But all of that is being driven by the fact that Google doesn't want to pay to process the data needed to couple those things with your sessions and events, hits, users, items in the way that you need to see it. What Google does want you to do is use BigQuery. And BigQuery is the answer to how we take advantage of GA4 and its data model to make it work for you. There's a reason that Google gave you free storage in BigQuery and why they made such a powerful streaming connection from GA4 to BigQuery. In fact, that connection is better than anything else that exists, including their API. BigQuery allows us to do anything we want. And that's not sales guy talking here. We can combine metrics and segments that are scoped at different levels, and we can see them in the same place. We can build landing page reports that show you page value and conversions and revenue and associated events and conversions grouped together in the same place that's easy to use and digest. We can deliver on real-time reporting in the day that you're in, and cardinality and thresholding are not an issue. All of your data is available to you in BigQuery. You can slice and dice and detail it down as much as you want with no lag or obscuring of your data. And that's how we solve this problem. We take the good data model with Google Tag Manager. We send that data to BigQuery. We do anything we want with it, like write some SQL queries that says, hey, aggregate this data, make it easier to visualize, build some Looker Studio reports, and you have everything you need using a lot of free tools to accomplish it. If you're feeling overwhelmed by GA4, or you're just not getting the results you need, reach out to us today. We're a call or a click away, and we're going to build you a custom solution that doesn't just meet your needs, but exceeds it.